Hello, my name's Lucy and I graduated in 2019. I'm here to talk about how volunteering helped me to get to where I am today. So I loved my time volunteering at Bangor University. There were so many opportunities that I wouldn't have had any other chance, so many skills that I learned. It massively helped my confidence, whether it was presenting to a large group of people, whether it was campaigning for something that we thought was right and how that could help other students. There was a lot of different experiences that I found as a student were so beneficial. I actually learnt whilst at Bangor Uni that volunteering was the best thing ever, and fundraising especially was something I was very passionate about. Since graduating, I've gone on to work in fundraising, which was something I never knew you could do as a paid job, and I absolutely love. So it was so positive to have this experience and to have a team at the SU who will support you, will find something that's right for you, a volunteering opportunity that is just the experience that you will not gain in any other way. And if you do anything, I think you should join some sort of volunteering with the uni, because it's amazing and you won't regret it.
Hi everyone, so my name is Jolene and I graduated in 2019. So how has volunteering helped me after I graduate? Well, personally, after 3 whole years of volunteering, I can say that I wouldn't be where I am today without it. And I know that sounds super cliche, but in actual fact, my experience volunteering at Spectrum Project actually made me realize what I wanted to pursue as a career. And when I was applying for my postgraduate courses, it felt really good to have the confidence and to be able to say, oh, I do have some experience working in this field, or yeah, I do have a little bit of knowledge working with this population. Now, even though it's not work, some people might say it's not paid, it is still experience, and trust me, it does count, and it makes you stand out as an applicant for a job or for a postgrad course. So honestly, this is only one of the many benefits. If you do get a chance, do get involved. I would 100% recommend it.
Over the 4 years that I attended Bangor University, I volunteered for multiple projects and eventually became a project leader. With the help and support of the team at SVB, I was even able to develop my own project, and the skills that I gained during that time, along with their support, really enabled me to bulk out my CV. So when I went for a senior position at my job more recently, I was given a promotion because of the skills that I had been able to develop thanks to the support and the encouragement that I was given through my time volunteering. I would definitely encourage everyone to make the most of their student volunteering experience, because as lovely as it is that you're making a difference in communities and you're gaining something from it yourself, it also really helps your job prospects. So definitely give it a go.
My name is Connor, and while at Bangor, I was part of the Spectrum and the Hairguest projects. Both were just such unique opportunities that you just don't get to have at other unis. They improved my confidence so much as a person and really helped build on my caring, teamwork and leadership skills, and actually just helped me figure out what I wanted to do with my life, and really helped to get to where I am today studying adult nursing. So I'm just so thankful that I was able to be a part of that.